Hey English friends, welcome to Key to Learn English. I'm Sarah, and I'm very excited today.
Hi everyone, I'm Ryan. Today we talk about real-life talk, how to discuss travel plans and dream destinations.
Yes, we will talk like two friends. Simple English, slow English, real English.
And we add small stories, easy tips, and fun examples.
So grab your tea, coffee, or water. Let's start.
Sarah, let me ask you something. If you could travel anywhere in the world right now, where would you go?
Good question. I think Japan.
Ooh, nice choice. Why Japan?
I love the food, the culture, and the cherry blossoms. And also anime.
That's true. Japan is amazing. For me, I dream about Italy.
Italy. Pizza and pasta?
Exactly. And old buildings, small streets, and beautiful views.
See, friends, this is how we start a travel conversation. We ask simple questions, like, where do you want to go? Why do you want to go there?
Yes, you don't need difficult English. Simple sentences are perfect.
Ryan, do you have any travel plans this year?
I'm not sure yet, but I'm thinking about visiting my cousin in another city.
Nice. So you can say, I'm thinking about visiting my cousin.
Or, I'm planning to travel in June.
Repeat after me, friends. I'm planning to travel in June.
Good. I'm thinking about going to the mountains.
Great.
When you talk about plans, you can use I'm planning to, I'm thinking about, I want to, I hope to.
Easy and useful. Ryan, what is your dream destination?
My dream destination is Italy. I don't know when I will go, but I hope someday.
That's perfect English. You don't need a date. You can say, my dream destination is...
Sarah, what about you?
My dream destination is Japan. I want to see Tokyo and Kyoto.
Nice. Friends, you can also say, one day I want to visit.
Repeat slowly. One day I want to visit Paris.
Good job.
Let's talk about money, because travel costs money.
Sadly, yes.
You can say, I'm saving money for my trip.
Or, I'm on a budget.
That means you don't want to spend too much.
Example, I want to travel, but I'm on a budget.
Simple and honest.
Sarah, do you prefer traveling by plane, train, or bus?
I prefer traveling by train. I like to look outside the window.
Nice. I prefer planes because they're fast.
So you can say, I prefer traveling by...
Or, I usually travel by
Another big topic, where to stay.
hotel, hostel, or Airbnb.
I usually stay in small hotels.
I like Airbnb. It feels like home.
You can say, I usually stay in... I'm looking for a cheap hotel.
Very useful sentences.
Ryan, can I ask you something?
Sure.
I want to go to Italy. Any suggestions?
Yes, you should visit Rome and Florence.
Friends, this is a great question. Any suggestions?
Or, do you recommend any places?
Repeat. Do you recommend any places?
Nice.
Ryan, how long is your trip?
About 1 week.
You can say, I'm staying for 3 days. I'm staying for a week.
Very easy.
Ryan, how do you feel about your trip?
I'm excited.
I'm excited too when I talk about travel.
You can say, I'm excited. I can't wait.
Repeat slowly. I can't wait.
Great.
Sometimes we also feel worried.
True. You can say, I'm a little nervous.
Or, I'm worried about my budget.
That's normal.
Ryan, remember my last trip?
Oh, yes, you missed your bus.
Yes, I was tired and confused.
But you learned something.
Yes, always check the time.
Friends, sharing small stories makes conversation fun.
If someone tells you about their trip, you can say, That sounds amazing.
Or, really? Tell me more.
Simple phrases, big impact.
Travel and food are best friends.
Yes, I want to try local food.
Or, I love trying new dishes.
Yum.
Another common topic, weather.
You can say, I hope the weather is good.
Or, I prefer warm places.
I prefer spring weather.
I prefer autumn.
Ryan, let's imagine we travel together.
Okay,
Where should we go?
let's go to Italy.
When?
In October.
How long?
10 days.
See, friends? Simple questions, simple answers.
Let's repeat some key sentences slowly.
I'm planning to travel next month.
My dream destination is Italy.
I'm saving money for my trip.
I'm excited about my vacation.
Great job! Now, word tour. Useful words today. Destination, a place you want to go. Example, my destination is Japan.
Budget, how much money you can spend. Example, I have a small budget.
Plan, decide what to do. Example, I plan to travel in June.
Dream trip, a trip you really want. Example, Italy is my dream trip.
Accommodation, place to stay. Example, I booked a hotel.
Book, reserve. Example, I booked my ticket.
Excited, very happy. Example, I'm excited to travel.
Nervous, a little worried. Example, I feel nervous about flying.
Recommend, say something is good. Example, I recommend Rome.
Local food, food from that place. Example, I want to try local food.
Stay, live for short time. Example, I will stay for 3 days.
Sightseeing, visiting famous places. Example, I love sightseeing.
Itinerary, travel plan. Example, I made an itinerary.
Vacation, holiday. Example, my vacation starts Monday. These ideas help you speak better and feel confident.
Which one will you try? Comment below. Like, subscribe. Bye.
See you next time.